Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play tribals. EO. Start by understanding the controls. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character around the map. Your first priority is to gather resources. Punch trees for wood and hit rocks for stone. With these materials, open your crafting menu, usually by pressing the C key, and craft a stone axe and a stone pickaxe. These tools will significantly speed up your resource collection. Once you have some basic tools, it's time to build a small base. Find a relatively safe spot and start placing down wooden foundations, walls, and a roof. This shelter will protect you from other players and environmental hazards. Next, craft a campfire to cook raw meat and keep warm at night. Don't forget to build a wooden storage box to secure your gathered resources. Survival is key in tribals. EO. Always monitor your hunger and thirst levels, consuming food and water regularly. As you progress, craft better weapons such as a wooden spear or a bow and arrows for defense and hunting. When encountering other players, you can choose to engage in combat or try to avoid them. Practice aiming and timing your attacks to gain an advantage. To truly thrive, explore the vast map for rarer resources like metal ore and sulfur. These materials are crucial for crafting advanced tools, weapons, and armor. Consider joining a tribe to collaborate with other players, sharing resources, and defending your territory. Continuously upgrade your base with stronger materials and improve your crafting stations to unlock more powerful items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.